Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today we are going to do unboxing on a Gucci bag. It's Queen Margaret, which is I love the most. I was gonna get it for a very long time, and we are going to check it out. I cannot wait to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, the bag is amazing. I'm a big fan of Gucci, as you know. The perfumes, everything else. I love these ribbons. I always keep them. Alright, this is the bag. I do love how they package it, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This one is a magnetic box. And this is the actual bag, okay? Let me put it in here. Oh, I love the smell. Who else like the leather smell, you guys? I do love that. Okay guys, this is the bag. And it also comes with a dust bag. It's so pretty. I do love the satin dust bags. It's very easy to clean if they're dirty. And this is the bag. This is amazing bag, you guys. So beautiful. I'll show you the hardware. See, this is packaged as well. I think I have to open it first. You see this one? It has a button. That's how you open it. And we are going to remove this protection over here. Hold on, it's a little bit tough. So heavy, you guys, very heavy to pick. And this is not a big bag, but whenever you go somewhere very classy, you can use this bag. This one is in length is 25 centimeters, in width is 17 centimeters, and this one is 13 centimeters. Okay, so this is not a small bag, but very classy, special. I would carry this to my office job if I still work in the office, which is I was working at. And it comes with a string. Don't you love this one? And this one is the authentication card, and like a card holder. You can see inside is genuine leather, kind of raw suede inside, and it has compartment here. You can put your little things, and there is a zipper compartment right here. I do love inside suede bags, you guys. It has another one here, and there is another one here. It's 3 of them, so you can put your bags in any of it. You can put your makeup bag here, your wallets, your credit card wallet, your makeup bag. Also, you can put anything else at the back. This is one of the greatest bags. I love Gucci. It's so pretty, you guys. Like I said, it comes with a dust bag, which is very useful. In a gift bag, Like I told you last time, I always keep them in my car. Whenever bag I have, I take it with the bag. So if there is a rain, I always put it inside. That's how I use them. Okay. So I love that. Of course, this one is my receipt and extra card, which is authentication card. Let's see through this. I'm sorry guys, I haven't posted as much. Like I told you last time, I was not feeling good. I have rheumatoid arthritis and it struck me for about 3 weeks. It was so rough. I haven't posted that much videos since then. That's why I'm so sorry. But I was thinking about you. I miss you guys so much. Alright, let's see. Okay. And this one is if you are giving this as a gift, you can add the authentication card here and thank you card here and just give it away. Can you see it? Oops. Yeah, this is the company name. And I love to keep those in my purse all the time. Okay guys, I will just installing this one. It is so beautiful. It's a blind for love. I love that. It's like accessories. And I'm gonna put the string. Oh, that's long. Love that. You see this one? It's very easy. By the way, I'm in my bathroom. It's early in the morning. It's about 8 a.m. Everybody's sleeping, so I decided to unbox my beautiful bag in my bathroom, which is I love so much. My bathroom is my thing. Oh, isn't that cool? Beauty. And the material, this one is pure leather, you guys. Okay, so this one is 100% leather. This one is a mirror image, just like the original one. The original one is thousands of dollars, and this one is $377, you guys. This is amazing and it's worth it for the money, because this is not a cheap bag, but you can see how the stitch is perfectly right here. The stitch is perfect, the design is perfect, there is no difference. It's the same material. This is so smooth, you guys. So if you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Okay, This is one of the best bags that I ever seen. I always loved Gucci materials. Everything Gucci does is nothing is wrong. Okay. So this one is made in Europe. Okay. All right. So if there is any discounts, I'm gonna post it on the description box. Please check them out, okay? Alright. Actually, there is a coupon 21% off. The code is SUMMER, SUMMER, okay? Check them out. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, I love you all.